Hello friends, today we will discuss infrastructure in the Indian economy, covering all aspects of infrastructure and its effect and impact on economy. Infrastructure in Indian economy. Infrastructure refers to the basic physical and organizational structure required for the operation of an economy. It includes transport, power, communication, irrigation, urban facilities, social services, including education and health. So we can say infrastructure is the backbone of economic development. It supports production, trade, employment, and human development. Without good roads and logistics, agricultural products cannot reach markets on time, leading to wastage and lower farmer income. Types of infrastructure. Economic infrastructure. These are facilities that directly support economic production and growth. For example, transport, roads, railways, ports, airports. Example is Bharatmala and Sagarmala projects. Energy, electricity generation, renewable energy. Example is National Solar Mission. Communication, telecom, internet connectivity. Example is BharatNet connecting 2.5 lakh gram panchayats. Irrigation and water supply, dams, canals. Example is Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana. Banking and financial infrastructure, payment system, ATM, UPI. Examples are Digital India, Jan Dhan Yojana. Now comes social infrastructure. These are facilities that improve quality of life and human capital. Education includes school, universities, skill centers. Example is Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan. Health includes hospitals, sanitation, water supply. Example is Ayushman Bharat, Swachh Bharat Mission. Housing and urban development. Example is PM Awas Yojana, urban and rural. Then comes digital infrastructure, digital connectivity, data centers, AI, and tech ecosystem. Example, Digital India, India's Stack 5G rollout. Importance of infrastructure. First, foundation for economic growth. It enables industries, trade, and services to function efficiently. Second, employment generation. Construction, energy, transport sectors create direct and indirect jobs. Third, rural development, roads, electricity, irrigation, improve agricultural productivity and incomes. Fourth, attracts investment,